Hi students, here the word problem related to reducible to linear equations. Pitu can row a downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. So actually Ritu is rowing a boat in a river. So while rowing a boat in a river, downstream means the boat is running along the road, upstream is against the current. Downstream is running along the current, upstream is against the current. So while in the downstream, the speed of the boat and speed of the current will be added, and in the upstream, the speed of the boat and current will be subtracted. So here considering the speed of rowing in still water is x km per hour and speed of current be y km per hour. So what is the speed of downstream? So downstream means we have to add both the speed. It is a x plus y, and speed of upstream is x minus y. And the first condition is Rito can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So by distance formula, speed is equal to distance by time. The first condition is a downstream, so downstream is a x plus y. So x plus y is equal to distance is a 20 kilometer divided by the time 2 kilometer. So this we can rewrite as x plus y is equal to 10. Let it be the equation 1. And the second condition is upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So upstream is a x minus y, the speed is x minus y. So x minus y is equal to distance is a 4 km and time 2. So this we can rewrite as x minus y is equal to equation 2. So we can solve this two equation and we can find the speed of the current and speed of the boat. So we can use any of the method. Here I will try with an elimination method. By adding the y coefficients will be eliminated, the y variable will be eliminated. So adding the equation 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to, by adding it will become 0, x plus x is 2x, 10 plus 2 is 12, so x is equal to 6. So speed of the boat rowing is a 6 km per hour. Now substitute x is equal to 6 in any of the equation. Let me consider the equation 1. 6 plus y is equal to 10. Instead of x I will substitute 6. So 6 plus y is equal to 10. Because bring 6 here it will be minus, so y is equal to 4. So speed of the current is 4 km per hour. So therefore speed of row in still water is 6 km per hour and speed of current is 4 km per hour. So here you go for the next problem. 2 women and 5 men can together finish embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. Solution. So it is given a work done by a woman and men. So if a woman is doing a x part of the work for x days, the woman is doing one work for an x days. Here it's considered embroidery work. Let you consider the one woman is doing embroidery work for 10 days. How many works he have done in the one day? 1 by 10th part, right? 1 by 10th of the day, right? If it is for 2 days, 2 by 10th. 3 days, 3 by 10th, right? So let me consider the woman can have efficiently do for x days. So for 1 day, she will be doing a 1 by x work. Consider the men can do a work in 5 y days, and for 1 day he can able to complete a 1 by yth part of the same work. Let's say her work is given a embroidery work. Understand? So I will write, I think then you can get clear. So let time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is X days. In X days, one woman can finish a work. Let I consider for a time taken by one man alone to finish the work is Y days. So the man I consider as a Y days. Then how many parts of a work woman can do in a 1 day? So it is a 1 by X, right? If a woman is doing a 10 embroidery in a 10 days, 1 day it's a 1, right? Same. One part of the 10 days 1. Clear? If it is a 20 works, then the 1 days he can do in the 20th part, right? The same way. So one woman's 1 day work is 1 by X the part of the work. Here the work is embroidery. So one man's 1 day work is equal to 1 by Y part of the work. Clear? That's it. Then we'll go for the condition. The first condition is 2 women and 5 men works in a 4 days, right? 2 women. So 1 woman is 1 by X, 2 women is 2 by X, plus 5 men is 5 by Y is equal to 1 by 4. So you're calculating for the 1, so 1 by 4th of the work. 4 days. Actually you're calculating for a day, right? 1 by X part of a work for a 1 day. So here also 1 by 4. So let me it is in the reducible method, right? Let me reduce the later. Let me see what is the second condition. Second condition is while 2 women and 6 men. Sorry, 3 women and 6 men. 3 women is 3 by X plus 6 men 6 by Y is equal to how many days? 3 days. So it is a 1 by 3, equation 2. So we can reduce by assuming 1 by X is equal to U and 1 by Y is equal to V. Substitute in 1 and 2. So first equation will become 2U plus 5V is equal to 1 by 4. This we can rewrite as multiple 4 on the both this side. It will become a 4 2s are right, 5 4s are 20. So 8U plus 20V is equal to 1. Clear? So let me bring this side. I will use a cross multiplication method. 8U plus 20V minus 1 is equal to 0. That will be equation 3. And the second equation we can substitute U and V. It will become a 3U plus 6V. 3U plus 6V is equal to 1 by 3. Multiply this side, it will become 9U plus 6 3s are 18V is equal to 1. But you bring this side, it will become a 9U plus 18V minus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 4. So now let me solve this equation with a cross multiplication method. So we will get, so I will write here U, V and 1. So first we will take in a second variable coefficient. It is a 20 and 18. Then minus 1 and minus 1. 20, 18, minus 1, minus 1. And the first variable coefficient is 8 and 9. 8, 9. Again we will end with the same, right? 20 and 18. So U divided by 20 into minus 1 is minus 20. Subtracted with 18 into minus 1 is minus 18. is equal to v divided by minus 1 into 9 is minus 9, subtracted is minus 1 into 8 is minus 8, is equal to 1 divided by 8 into 80, it will be like 144, subtracted is 9 into 20 is a 180 plus 180, right? So careful on the sign while doing this step, then rest will be the very easy. U by, so minus into minus is plus, so a plus 18, so minus 20 plus 18 greater is minus, so it will become a minus 2 is equal to v divided by minus into minus is plus, minus 9 plus 8 is a minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 144 minus 180, so its difference is 30, the fourth side 36, right? And the greater number sign is minus 36. Careful on the sign. So now we compare the first and last, so it will become a u by minus 2 is equal to 1 by minus 36, so u is equal to 1 by minus 36 into minus 2, minus minus cancel, 2 and 32 for 18 times, right? So u is equal to 1 by 18. And here the last two, v by minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 36, minus 1 if it goes to the positive, right? So v is equal to 1 by 36. That's it. So actually consider u as a 1 by x, right? So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18, then x is equal to 18. V we consider as a 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. So y is equal to 36. Clear? So we consider x and y as a time taken by one woman and a one man to finish a work, right? So therefore one woman finish work in x is 18, right? 18 days, and one man can finish his work in 36 days. So here we go for the next word problem. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. So she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. That means remaining of the 300 is 240 km she is traveling by bus. She takes a 4 hours. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. If she, instead of a 60 kilometers, she taken 100 kilometers by train and the remaining 200 kilometers by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. That is 4 or 10 minutes. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So as usual, let me consider its speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of bus be y kilometer per hour. The first condition is given, it is a partly by train and partly by bus, totally is a, so consider the train plus bus, train time plus bus time is equal to 4 hours, right? So for time, what is the formula? Time is equal to distance by speed, right? So distance we know because we don't know directly what is the time. So distance is totally 300 km for the train. It is 60 kilometers, and for the bus remaining 240, right? So train time distance by the speed and the bus distance by the speed. So train for the distance is a 60 kilometer, right? So 60 divided by the speed of the train I am considered here as an x, plus then bus time. Bus time is the distance by time. The bus distance is the remaining of 300 and 640 is 240, right? So 240 divided by y, because the bus, the speed of the bus is 4, is equal to totally 4 hours. And the second condition, she travels the train 100 km by train. So 100 divided by train is a x. So distance by speed is a time, right? So train time plus bus time remaining is a 200. So 200 by y is equal to 10 minutes longer. That means 4 hour plus 10 minutes. 10 minutes you convert as a hours. So 10 minutes is equal to, we can convert it as a 10 by 60, right? That is the conversion of a hours. So 4 plus 10 by 60. So 1 by 6, let me cross multiply and we have to reduce it. So first I will simplify it. 100 plus x by 200 by y is equal to, so cross multiply, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 by 6. Clear, right? Any doubt here? So let me consider this as equation 1 and equation 2. So this equation is like in a reducible. So equation, let's consider 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So equation 1 will become 60u plus 240v is equal to 4. So everything is divisible by 4, right? Let me divide it by 4. We will obtain a 15u plus 60v, 6 into 4 16, 6 4 are 24, so 60v is equal to 1. So let me solve by the cross multiplication. So I will bring it this side. It will become a 15u plus 60v minus 1 equal to 0. Let it be equation 3. So let me consider the second equation. Let me substitute u and v. 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 by 6. So 6 I will multiply this, it will become a 600u plus 1200v is equal to 25. So everything can be divided by the 25, right? So 625 will comes for 24 times. 24u plus 1200 will come for 48 times. 48u is equal to 1. Let me bring 1 this side. It will become 24u plus 48v minus 1 equal to 0. Let is equation 4. Now I solve with the cross multiplication method. U, v and 1. So coefficients of v is 60 and 48. 60, 48, and it is a minus 1 and minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And again the coefficient is 15 and 24. 15, 24. Again we end with the same 60 and 48. Clear? So u divided by 60 into minus 1 is minus 60. Minus of 48 into minus 1 is minus 48 is equal to v divided by minus 1 into 24 is minus 24. Minus 1 into 15 is minus 15 is equal to 1 divided by 15 into 48. It will become a 720, right? Minus 24 into 60, 24 6 are 144, so 1440, right? Let me simplify. U divided by minus into minus is plus 48, 60 minus 60 plus 48 is a minus 12, and v divided by 24 minus into minus is plus 15. 24 plus 15 is minus 9. Minus 24 is a divider, right? That's why minus is equal to 1 by the greater number is a minus. So 722 minus 1440 is a 722. It's a double, right? That's it. Now you compare the first and last. You will get an u by, okay, I will do here. U by minus 12 is equal to 1 by minus 720. So u is equal to 1 by minus 720 into minus 12. Minus minus cancel. 12 table 720 comes for 60 times, right? 6 times 72, 60. So u is equal to 1 by 60. So u is equal to 1 by 60. What about v? Compare this last two. V by minus 9 is equal to 1 by minus 720. So v is equal to 1 by minus 720 into minus 9. Minus minus cancel. 9 table 72 for 8. So 80 times. So v is equal to 1 by 80. Clear? Then what about u? U is equal to 1 by x, right? So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60. Let me solve here. 1 by is equal to 1 by 60. Therefore x is equal to 60. and 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80, so y is equal to 80. Clear? Therefore, so the speed of the train is 60 km per hour and speed of the bus is 80 km per hour. Clear? Just you write here. Thank you.